Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by separating the two halves of the fob, insert a flat screwdriver or coin into the seam, and twist gently to avoid snapping the case. Once the halves open, you'll see the round battery with its code, typically CR2032. Make sure to work on a stable surface and use a tray to hold screws or springs, because losing tiny parts will complicate reassembly and delay completion. You'll now remove the old cell while noting orientation. Observe whether the plus sign faces up or down, because correct polarity matters. Use non-magnetic tweezers or a plastic tool to lift the battery and insert the new CR2032 in the same orientation. Ensure it sits flush and the contact clips press firmly. Once done, check for any debris in the compartment and dispose of the old battery at a recycling point to prevent damage to the environment. You'll press the case halves together evenly until they click, ensuring there are no gaps and that the rubber button pads align. Once reassembled, test lock, unlock, and panic from about 3 to 5 feet to confirm radio transmission. If a function fails, make sure the battery is seated, contacts are clean, and the rubber pad makes contact. If problems persist, open the fob again, reseat the battery, and inspect contact springs for bending or corrosion before seeking professional help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.